Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie and welcome to Glammedupmomma, where I post beauty videos every Wednesday and Friday. My goal is to find the best beauty products out there and share them with you guys so you guys are just not wasting your money on things that are not worth it. And with that being said, let's jump into the video. So today we're going to be talking about the very best matte foundations for dry skin. And I know some of you guys are giving me the side eye already, like, I don't know if matte foundations and dry skin work together, but they absolutely do, as long as you are applying them correctly and you're using the right ones. There are a few steps that I like to take before I apply a matte foundation. The first one being to exfoliate. If I haven't already done so in the past few days, I will start with that. Then apply a rich moisturizer, nothing too oily that will change the look of the foundation. And then also to apply a moisturizing primer on top of that. The one that I like to use is the F.A.B Beauty Coconut Skin one. This does give a lot of moisture to the skin without giving it that greasy look and changing the look of the foundation and just keeping it matte really. So what do I want in my foundation? I want it to last all day. I want it not to crease in my fine lines, such as my smile lines and my fine line here. And I don't want it to look dry, cakey, and age me. I want it to look fresh, all day, smooth, and poreless. And these foundations absolutely do that. So the first foundation I have to mention is the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. This one here, I have it in the shade Stromboli Medium 3. This one goes on so smoothly, makes the skin look absolutely flawless and poreless. It stays matte all day. It is a medium to full coverage foundation if that's something you're looking for, and definitely a 10 out of 10. The next foundation I have to mention is the Too Faced Born This Way Matte Foundation. Right here I have it in the shade Golden Beige. It lasts all day, looks absolutely poreless. If you're someone that wears glasses like I do, it does not wear off right there where your glasses lay. Products go over it so smoothly. It's medium to full coverage and absolutely worth the buy. The next one is going to have to be the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation in the oil-free matte. I have it in shade light medium. This one looks absolutely gorgeous on the skin as well. Goes on so smoothly. It lasts all day. You have that bonus of the SPF added to it, and it is medium coverage. Next, we have the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I have it in the shade Light Beige. So this one's going to be more of a satin matte foundation. If you don't want such a matte look, you can go ahead and opt in for this one. This one doesn't completely set like the other ones do, so if you want to go ahead and set the areas where you're going to put powder, you could go ahead and do so. It lasts all day, it doesn't sink into fine lines, and it's a medium coverage foundation. Next, we're going to have the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation. I have it in the shade Classic Ivory 120. This one's going to be more of a light to medium coverage, so not as much coverage as the last ones that I mentioned, but still looks absolutely gorgeous on the skin, covers up everything that you would need it to, does not sink into the fine lines, and lasts all day. It looks beautiful. And last but not least, the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, the Active Wear one. I have it in the shade 220 Natural Beige. This one's going to be a full coverage matte foundation, lasts all day, looks absolutely poreless around the nose. It's actually pretty lightweight for such a full coverage foundation. I was expecting it to feel heavier on the skin, but it does not. You really only need the tiniest bit of it. It does tend to sink into the smile lines just the tiniest bit, but definitely still worth the try. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This video was so much fun to make. I absolutely love testing out new foundations to find out what works and what doesn't, and sharing it with you guys. If you guys have any more video suggestions, please leave them down in the comment box below. And once again, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.